What is the name of this experiment?
Yeah, underwater volcano. Hi everyone, my name is Latika. Welcome back to my channel Latika and Wonderland. Now I'm going to do an underwater volcano experiment. For that we need a test tube, a measuring cylinder, citric acid, baking soda, cooking oil, red color, spatula and water. First add 10 ml of water into the measuring cylinder. Then pour it into the test tube. Then take the red color and pour 2 drops. Then take a scoop of baking soda and put it into the test tube. Now pour 20 ml of oil into the measuring cylinder. Then pour it into the test tube. Then take 1 scoop of citric acid and put a scoop in the test tube. Now see the magic.
Nice, right?
Yeah, it's like
What is the name of this experiment?
yeah, underwater volcano. But it'll come out because it's a little full, right? That's why. It also needed space. Oh my, how much time is that going to stay?
This is really volcano, see? This is coming up like this.
Yeah.
Our red color is coming. The red color is water actually.
Yeah.
This is oil.
I know. Actually, do you know one thing? Water and oil, if we pour it, the oil doesn't go inside the water. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Let's Can Wonderland. Bye.